What's better than an epic van life adventure across the United States? Well, how about an epic adventure van life in one of the most beautiful countries in the world, the Philippines? With new technology and transportation, that dream is more real than ever. Stay tuned. So, with COVID and then the harsh economic times afterwards, many of us have dreamed of living in a van and traveling the world or traveling the nation. And as great as that is, I pitched here's something better. You can have the best of both worlds and have all the fun, excitement, and adventure of traveling the nation, but even better, traveling to one of the most beautiful countries on earth, the Philippines. The Philippines is famous for a couple things. It's beautiful people, they're so kind and friendly. There are beautiful beaches, there's over 1,000 islands, and there's all sorts of activities to do. And just how kind and warm they are, how friendly, and how great girlfriends like the Filipinos make. Living the van life is just such a dream for so many of us, and it's a reality here in the Philippines now. They sell these vehicles here, and then you can actually travel all over. They have ferry boats that will shuttle your van too. Like, look at them here parking these vehicles. That's really cool. Obviously, they're not going to have this for every small island, but to jump from one big island to another is an option. If you can attach or make storage room for your bike or e-bike or scooter or one wheel, that also adds all sorts of transportation options. Obviously, scooters are very popular here, and with that storage, you can literally travel all over the islands and really have some exciting adventures on your bike. It was just something as a man that just calls us to adventure, to explore the great outdoors, to appreciate God's handiwork and art that He created, to have the wind in your face, and to just go exploring and have like every day can be so exciting here. Every day can be a new adventure. One of the many negatives back home with van life is it's so cold sometimes with the winter or depending on what part of the United States you're traveling in. And you either have to freeze to death in your van or you have to do unsafe things like this, like putting a fire in your vehicle. Here, you will almost never have that problem as it's nice and hot and warm all the time.
Winter storm warning remains in.
But if you want to freeze to death and you have to go chop firewood outside in the freezing cold, then there's always that option too. But these vans are getting really luxurious. Like, look how good this looks. This is what I was talking about earlier with the new technology. Like, they had solar power on top of their car. How awesome is that? No brownouts here, no blackouts. Yeah, dude, like Tesla internet. You're living life of luxury. Like, look at this. These people, do they look like they're suffering? No, they're having a great time. This van looks amazing. They did a great job to set up. And I know a lot of you guys are going to remain skeptical. Like, surely, Mark, you can't get this to the Philippines. Well, I'm going to show you footage here of not even Americans. These are Filipinos that are doing the van life right now as we speak. Now, of course, a lot of vehicles cost more over here because of shipping and taxes and things like that. So be prepared for that. But if you can afford it, if this is something you're strongly been wanting to do, like there's really no bigger dream in my opinion. Like this would be such a sweet life. Like imagine this every day. You just drive around the main islands and then ferry across to the other ones when needed. There would be some challenges. You might have to find some locals and make friends and maybe pay them a little bit to park your vehicle for extended amount of time sometimes. But overall, like this could be your life. This could be every day could be such a huge adventure. I mean, it is already over here, but you add the exciting elements of the Philippines and the travel, the van life, and it opens up some very interesting possibilities. No more jeepneys or buses needed. But that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you liked it or disliked it. Would you like to consider van life? Have you ever considered it before? And would you consider doing it in the Philippines, or just travel here in general for that great adventure that we talk about? There really is paradise here. I hope you come and visit sometime. I love it, and it's absolutely changed my life. Anyways, like and subscribe if you liked it. I do more videos like this about traveling to the Philippines, traveling overseas, retiring young, being a digital nomad, how to make money online and all that stuff, dating Filipinos, and reaction videos to Western women and culture and stuff like that. So subscribe if you want. I'll see you next time. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks again. God bless and peace.